Alright, welcome back to the fourth part of the Cashew Chicken Show. Yes, the pineapple survived. I cut off a small slice of the bottom of the pineapple. That had to go, but the rest of the pineapple is intact. Yes, my stage is back up. Okay, I was slicing the pineapples. I am continuing to slice them. La la la. Ooh! Well, the pineapple's still there. Ooh! Ooh! Be right back. Alright, here's Jacob. Is he gonna join us in the show? You want a piece of pineapple, Jacob?
I don't, that's all schmuck.
Here, let's shake hands.
No, not right now. Schmuck. Okay, so what's the story?
Yes, I am still in the middle of my cooking show. Give a big round of applause. Yes, I'll put away the dishes. Yes, the stage is in the way now. As soon as I'm finished my show, I'll put away the rest of the dishes. They will be okay. You don't have to worry about them.
And we're all sisters.
Alright. We're all safe. Here's my pineapple. Big round of applause to the pineapple. Okay, I'm gonna check on the chicken now.
What chicken?
The chicken in the oven.
What did you make?
The chicken I put in an hour and a half ago. Hey, let's check on the vegetables.
I don't think I would like. What's that, eggplant?
Yeah, eggplant. Give a big round of applause.
I don't like that eggplant.
Are you eating it tonight?
No, I'm not gonna.
Where are you going?
Tonight I buy clear.
How about you, Seth? Do you like eggplant?
Tonight I buy
I'm gonna have the chicken tonight.
Okay, Seth, my other
Tonight's my
housemate's
elephant.
gonna have the chicken tonight. How about the eggplant?
No, I don't like eggplant.
How about Seth?
No.
Seth won't have the eggplant either. All right.
If I were to be here, I know I don't like
We
eggplant.
have the yellow squash.
Squash where?
Yeah, you eat yellow squash.
Yeah, squash I eat. Schmuck.
How about the cauliflower?
Cauliflower is good. Yeah.
Oh, cauliflower. Oh, good. My husband likes cauliflower. But he's not eating here tonight anyway. Where are you going tonight?
Tonight I'm by elephant.
Elephant. Nice. Round of applause to Jacob going to Elephant. Yes, I go with my housemate Jacob to Somerville Springs sometime for the Saturday night meal, Friday night meal. Okay, so Jacob, I appreciate your interest. If you'll give me a little space now so I can continue with my show. Thank you. Everything's okay.
What's in there, Shmuel?
I just told you a minute ago.
Chicken.
Should we tell them again? Yes,
That was chicken.
round of applause to chicken.
Chicken is good.
You want to go take the chicken out?
No,
You want to be on video taking the chicken out?
I'll take the chicken out.
Oh, wonderful. This is amazing. Jacob is going to actually take the chicken out. This is so cool. Isn't that amazing?
Taking the chicken
We're
out.
getting a view of Jacob bending down to take the chicken out.
Is the chicken ready?
The chicken is definitely ready. That is so amazing.
Oh, I should have made it.
Wow,
I
good round.
should have made a double. I should have made a double.
You should have made it double. Very hot chicken. Woo, woo, woo!
I should have made a double.
All right,
I
the
made it. I
chicken.
made a double.
Your hands are good.
Yeah, I
Put
made it.
them under cold water.
So I'm okay. So
You're
I'm okay.
All
Shmuel.
right, he's okay. Jacob is okay.
Okay, Shmuel. Not now. Not
Not
now.
now.
Okay. What? Okay.
All right, I'll do the rest. Thank you.
And leave the oven on for Shabbos.
Yes, I'll leave it on for Shabbos. Yes, on Shabbos, Saturday, the holiday, we don't use electricity. We'll turn on the gas or the cooking thing. So we leave on the heat to heat up food.
So when is it going to be? 6 o'clock?
6:20. He has a lot of questions.
Okay.
Every night is Monishtana night for him. Every day and night.
Shmuel.
Okay. Here's my chicken, nice and ready. Oh, he's on the scale now? Okay. Will I be able to get by him? Alright, yes, he's doing one of his other routines. Of course, I couldn't wait till I was finished. He has his schedule, and I have to work around his schedule.
I didn't use the scale yet, Shmuel.
Oh, he didn't use his scale yet. He usually does in the morning. Alright.
I used it in the morning, but I didn't use the
Very nice. That is amazing. Woo, woo. All right, I'm going to move my chairs so I can get by. Very nice. Wonderful. Woo, woo. Big round of applause to Jacob. Let's party. Let's party. Party. Be right back.
That's okay. That's okay.
Ooh. Ooh, woo. Yeah, it's not too hot. Okay, I'll just dry it off. Yeah, I cooled it off with one. Yeah, some of the hot gravy spilled on my arm. I'm okay. Okay. All right. Here's my other food. Okay, Jacob's going through his other process now. Let's see what he's going to do now. He's going to the top of the cabinets. Oh, there's some gravy on the bottom. Okay, I'll put this down.
So, Shmuel.
All right, Jacob is in the kitchen. Everybody welcome Jacob.
Shmuel's nice.
Yes, Jacob said Shmuel's nice. Is Shmuel nice? Woo, woo! Okay, I'm going to quickly wash my hands again. How many times did I wash my hands? Woo, woo! Alright, all the chicken is ready. Chicken with the bones, the vegetables, the yellow squash.
Shmuel, come on, it's very close to Shabbos.
I will be finished right before the holiday. Do not worry, my son. Actually, he's older than me. He's 58.
Shmuel,
He's my friend.
Shmuel, it's very close to Shabbos, so can you finish?
Alright. Okay, we're gonna have to finish up. We're gonna have to hurry. We'll do what Jacob wants. Woo-hoo! Okay. We have Mrs. Dash. Okay. We have this miracle coming up. Hey, Seth, you want to join me? Seth is drinking some water. Hey, give a big round of applause to my housemate Seth, okay? Come a little this way. You coming? Yeah, all the way in. You can come all the way in.
Yes.
Yes, this is Seth. He says hello to you.
Hello.
What are you drinking?
What?
Will you like the food I prepared for tonight?
Yes.
You like the noodles?
Yes.
Yes, she's very open to all types of food. Give a big round of applause to Seth. Okay, I have the cashew sauce on the kitchen. Near the All right, there we go. Thank you so much for joining Small Target Therapeutic Journey Show. I hope you found it therapeutic and energizing. And yes, we finished the cashew chicken with the vegetables and the noodles. Let's give a round of applause to the food. Here we go with the cauliflower. The chicken with the bones. The yellow squash that my housemate Jacob likes to eat. Okay. Okay, next time you'll see some smiley faces on these round pineapples. See you next time.